Hey guys, welcome back to another video of War Talks, and today we have another Austro-Hungarian belt buckle. This one is pretty cool compared to the other one, as there's a lot more depictions in it. You can see two lions, more animals down here. But just a lot of really cool depictions in this small belt buckle. And this belt buckle is a little less common than the standard one with the two-headed bird on it. But it is very cool. This one is made exactly the same. There's no difference to it, except this one has a few chips out of the metal, but it's exactly the same besides the stamping. You can see there. This one does have a little bit of damage. It's been pushed in a little bit, but you can still see it clearly. And once again, there would be a little rod here, but this one does not have it. I'll show you this one more time. Yeah, a very cool belt buckle.